Everyone, Union County EAS here. So, today is Wednesday, the 4th, and I'm going to be catching the required weekly test. All of these are hopefully going to go off. They should. My 5WR120 should go off as well. I'm hoping my new WR100 that is over here will go off. I'm not too sure about it, but fingers crossed. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Yes, it went off. 975.
This test is conducted at approximately 11:30.
So many WR120s.
If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of the Brassdown Bald Blue Ridge transmitters. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Brassdown Bald transmitter: Fannin, Lumpkin, Towns, Union, and White in Georgia, and Clay County, North Carolina. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Blue Ridge transmitter: Fannin and Gilroy in Georgia, and Cherokee County in North Carolina, and Polk County in Tennessee. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
This one turned off on the first in the message header.
At Blairstow, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 71 degrees, dew point 55 degrees, relative humidity 56%, wind east at 10 miles an hour, pressure was 30.34 inches and falling. At Gainesville, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 70, dew point 54, relative humidity 56%, wind east at 14 gusting to 24, pressure was 30.35 inches and falling.
Awesome. So many WR120s. Love it. Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching.